Yo, welcome back to another market review. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. If you guys looked from the live stream today, if we go into micro, onto the micro, I took two longs here. One here at the 2 minute order block. It was coming up a 15-minute order block, which I thought was in a discount. And same thing here. We resweep this low at 9:30. This is my Judas, or the Judas swing. Well, I viewed it as a Judas swing at least. And then for value gap, and then entry, taking it up to these highs. Both were stopped out, and I think it was like a total loss of almost $800. um, However, that's not the point of today, right? We're gonna go through the market and just take a look at what happened today. So, using this range, this is why I did well, right? Daily relative swing lows, relative equal lows. Taken. We come higher, close above and inside, above the swing low and inside this range. Go to the hourly. Dealing range low, dealing range high. And now this is where I got it wrong. I used this low here, and I don't know, I thought it. Oh wait, no, I didn't use that low. I used this low here. I thought it made sense, and if we use that low, then it would have been at the discount hourly gap, as well as zooming here, using this range, this dealing range here. We had this order block here, in which we use that to, I thought, come higher. But the bias is not bearish. The narrative is not bearish. We go to that hourly. This is the correct way to do it. Dealing range low, dealing range high, and adjust. And adjust to the most significant swing low. Right now, the most significant right now is this swing low. We use this and push higher off of it. Consolidated around here a little bit and then push higher off of that. So using this range, we would have seen that this is not a discount, right? And looking at the market structure on the 1 hour, sweep of buy side, structure shift here. Let's mark these out. Buy side, taken. Market structure shift here. Bearish for value gap. And that's our 2022 model on the high time frame. We have the discount sell side, and that would have been a bearish narrative and bearish bias. We've taken these buy stops and come lower, short shift, value gap, sell side. All right, so this sell side was a draw today, and overall I do have a bullish bias. I want to see these highs get taken out, but using this dealing range and using this market structure here, then it would have allowed me to think, oh yeah, we're definitely, well not definitely, but like we're preparing to come into a discount. Go to the 15-minute, all the way up here, using the dealing ranges again relative to the time frame. We use the buy side here. So initial dealing range high is here, but then we consolidate around here, right? And we alter that swing high. So down here, this swing high, because this starts the run lower. Starting the run lower, relative equal highs for buy side. We take that in London session. We come higher again, sweeping those highs out. Structure shift. inefficiency. Now zooming in, I trade if there's 8:30 news, I trade that. Zooming in, 8:30 didn't sweep out a high here. It didn't come for a high. We anticipate it to come to a high. Which high? That 15-minute fair value gap. Zoom in more. So buy side sweep, inefficiency, become lower. We can use, honestly, I think the most significant for me is this, personally. So we use this fair value gap, pulling our stop, pulling out stop at either you could use this high here, the fair value gap where it ends, right? The candle high, sorry, and or this high here. I probably would have went for this high here. And then targeting the sell side liquidity, which is down here. And that would have given you a nice 1 to 5 probably. Having that in mind, we draw out the general price projections. And yeah, we can take partials or go break even or something like that. Definitely a partial at this low though. Definitely a partial there. And yeah, this is the general price projection levels that you could target. Honestly, it's not that great. So honestly, just use this low here, and then leave runners down to this. That would have been 1 to 2, and this would have been 1 to 5. Yeah, okay. So I think that's it. Not gonna lie. Go to the ES. Sub the same thing here. 8:30. 8:30 opens. We don't sweep a swing high or anything like that. We sweep ahead of 8:30, but I'm not sure if that counts. If it does count, then probably would have taken a loss here. But in fact, I'll check it. Give me a second. Okay, so got the notes here. It can get swept at like before 8:30. So probably would have taken a loss on ES here if I was watching that. Let's see if we come back to that 15-minute gap. We do. Oh wait. Oh. We don't? I'm a bit confused. What's going on? Oh wait, did we? Oh wait, 8:30 opens the. Oh, okay. So, does that change anything? Yeah, I wouldn't be too sure here. I think might be a bit. Yeah, okay, I wouldn't be too sure here. But anyhow, we still got the entry on NQ. And sold the same thing, a re-entry on ES. So you could have entered, no, not that. Entered here, taking the short down to, what's that, 1 hour, and draw the range, which is here. Take it down to this low down here. Stop being either above the candle high or at the swing high. And that would have been 1 to 3, which is a pretty nice trade. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed that market review. A bit awkward, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, today did make sense. It's not like it wasn't. It was very complicated. It's just that in the live stream today, I think I was a bit too greedy and was like, hey, let's move the fib to the swing low. So yeah. Anything else about that? Don't think so. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the live stream tomorrow. We have core PCE price index 8:30 news. I'll be live streaming at 8:30. Yeah. Join the Discord and peace.